So this is the virgin oil, and this is the normal one. So you can see the difference. Yeah. So this is fried. This is non-fried. This was just kept for you to settle. Yeah. So this is the difference. Virgin, non-virgin. This is primary virgin. This is secondary virgin. Hello brothers, sisters, how you doing? This is boy Cooking with Sindako, and I'm back again with another great video. I'm in Shama in the western region of Ghana, and over here they process coconut oil, both the normal coconut oil and the pure virgin coconut oil. But in this video, we will see how normal coconut oil is processed. In fact, Ghana is really blessed with everything the soil can ask for. And I'm happy to show you this video that Ghana or Africa can produce its own cooking oil locally. Hope you will love this video. Please subscribe, share, comment, like, and come join the Discovery family. Let's do this. Record. Yeah, so I'm here in Shama, the western region, and I'm here with a friend, a great, what do you call, minister, or what do you call it? How do you say?
Yeah, woman in
agriculture. Personnel, personnel, and sister Abna, so she's taking me around and introducing me to these people. Yes, over here there's a production of making virgin coconut oil, so it can be virgin or normal coconut oil. So depending on the kind of oil that you want to make, the selection that you have to do. And this is the starting point of the whole thing. Yeah.
When they go for the coconut and then they bring it, the men will help them to pack it. So when they pack it, then they remove the food from it as they are doing. Yeah. So afterwards they would wash it in the aluminium bowl.
But you could be able to Papa, and I say. Okay. Well, anti-comfort. But how many years now? Now you could be 24 years. Wow. I know. Wow.
I'm done more than 80 years.
More than 80 years? Number 10. And to come in what or watch now?
A driver.
The next to me now. Okay. I thought that more than access to another motor. Okay. We could be a 2 mana. Okay. What's my account number? Yeah. 024 18 70 386. Okay, at comfort. Yeah, so if you want coconut oil, just contact her and she'll make you nice one. Yeah. Interesting.
Madam Comfort Sako, she is the district best processor for 2021, and then she's into virgin coconut oil and then coconut oil. So what she's doing right now is she's rinsing the coconut. She has to rinse it 3 times just to make sure that there is no sand or any filth around the coconut. So since she wants to fetch virgin coconut oil as well as coconut oil, she would have to sort out the spot ones from the good ones. So as she's rinsing, she just sort the spot ones in a different basket so that it wouldn't mess up with the good ones. Because for the virgin, it has to taste good. So when she makes the spot one with it, she wouldn't get the required taste she needs for her virgin coconut oil. So currently, that's what she's doing. So afterwards, she just dry everything on her perforated rubber bag over there. For this stage, this is what she's doing at the moment.
So she won the best farmer.
Yes, best female processor for the year.
Okay. Wow.
Because she does it in large quantities.
And so she brought virgin coconut.
Yes, she's the first to produce virgin coconut oil here in Shama District.
Not in Western region, but Shama.
No, Shama District.
Oh, okay.
She's the first processor to introduce it here. And she's encouraging some of her coconut oil processors to also venture into
the virgin.
Okay.
So she does mostly the virgin?
Yes, mostly the virgin. But you can't do virgin without not doing the coconut oil
itself.
Because it comes in 3 layers.
Okay.
So the first layer is what we use for the coconut oil because we take it on fire.
Okay.
The second layer, that's what we use for the virgin. We don't put it on fire. So that's why we call it virgin coconut oil.
So how is that process? Like if you don't, you just pick it, does it?
Yes, you just salt it from the second layer. You put it in a bowl. Then you sieve it in a clean barrel, a very clean barrel. And then you leave it down for it to settle for some days. After days, you see that it will turn into pure white.
Okay.
Yes.
Then that's the
virgin coconut oil. Unlike the other coconut oil,
to fry.
We'd have to fry it on fire before we get it.
Mamina, what's the way you're riding? What do you do for my riding? What do you say? Okay. So basically, she's using this pistol to mix the coconut because she's scared that maybe when using the hand, something might enter into it. So using the pistol to mix up.
When they are done fetching the layers,
okay.
This is the waste water.
Okay.
So they have to throw the water away.
Oh, okay.
So it's when you put your hands.
Oh, yeah.
So right now, at this stage, what we are doing right now is they are trying to obtain the milk. So the milk will help us get the oil that we need for our virgin and then the coconut as well. So the first water they use is just this normal water. That's what they use to rinse it out.
But you know, I have a white, I bet it's white. And you know, Musa used to be on there. What used to do times? So after rinsing with the milk, they later use normal water to make sure all the milk are out. And they will cover it for 28 to 48 hours for it to settle. But before they do that, they will place a weight on the chaff for it to squeeze the remaining milk from the chaff. We then finally get our needed coconut milk for the oil. The dry chaff now belongs to the pigs and sheep, so people do come by for their animals. So after hours of settling, they take the first layer and the third layer to process the normal coconut oil, and the second layer for the virgin oil. If not, they will use all the 3 layers for the normal coconut oil. Then they will fry it so it develops oil on the surface. It's a bunch of answer. Ultramon. Ah, okay. Hey, it's no. Wow, interesting. So, and now fast. Yeah. So, how's they are doing all your friends? They find the cassava as well. Yeah. Wow, interesting. And we have Gary also here. Gary production. Yeah, so that's it for today. We are done with our coconut oil, and hope you like the video. Yeah, keep sharing, support, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaku for Shazam and Nizzle. Yeah, so call Auntie Comfort and Mamacita for your pure coconut oil and normal coconut oil. They can give it to car and you get it from the station. Yeah, record. Let's meet again. Cooking with Sindaku. I'm out. 1.